If you love ranch dressing, you have to try making it at home. It's fresh, creamy, herby, and so delicious. For more recipes like this, subscribe. Now let's do it. The base of our dressing is a half cup plus 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Store-bought or homemade works. We've linked to our recipe if you'd like to see it. To the mayo, add 1/2 cup of sour cream and a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, regular milk is a good substitute. Now add a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and 1 to 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. We like 2 teaspoons, but you can add to your own taste. Give that a stir, and when it's really well blended, we can add the rest of our ingredients. We love using fresh herbs, but dried can work. See our recipe for tips. Here is fresh dill, parsley, and chives. We need a generous 2 tablespoons of each. If you have a bit more, that's okay too. For that classic ranch flavor, add dried onion powder and garlic powder. I'm using a 1/2 teaspoon of each and then seasoning the dressing with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a generous amount of black pepper. Stir everything together and then enjoy. This will last in your fridge for 3 to 4 days. As always, the full recipe with extra tips is on Inspired Taste. If you loved this recipe, take a look at some of our other dressing recipes like our blue cheese or our simple Italian. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.